La la la. It's a beautiful day outside with the sunrise. Everything's gonna be alright as long as I do it alright. Some days they might be wrong, and some are alright. People can do this, so I can be right. Breaking the walls inside your head. I feel happiness inside, but you feel sadness inside. But you can't tell me why. But you can't tell me with that madness in your head, because that this madness cannot just be okay, because everybody wants a beautiful world, because right or wrong can't be just like that, because I can't breathe.
Let's harp a unicorn.
Because I can't feel the ride, because that you're about to
Nadia,
because that because you